4連環1號、2號、3號、6號派255蚊。4重彩1號、6號、3號、2號順序派6036蚊。孖寶頭軍3尾軍1正獎派68個半，頭軍3尾軍6蚊位獎派132個半。
結果啊，中間就突然間出現一啲即係賽事嘅形勢突變啦，咁啊令到佢更加好跑。好少我潘頓呢嗰啲位咁樣鏟上嚟鬥走嘅。
咁我抽分段時間嘅時候呢，頭2段已經慢㗎啦，咁第3段去到26秒11，可能潘頓都覺得唔係好對路啊。今日呢嗰個位好難追。
嗰度走唔係問題，佢走咗之後，佢寧願喺3碟度拍住前面一對馬一路走。其實嗰度佢係應該，即係如果以潘頓嘅性格，拖一拖縮翻落前面一對馬後邊咪得咯。嗰度根本拉到好闊嘅。咁當然佢咁樣跑，後邊路由器跑更加好跑啦。咁但係嗰度佢跑錯啲嘅啫，喺我心目中，正安靜係應該嗰度留翻咯。
即係佢擺咗喺前面呢，搞到御滿杜拜有少少上咗口啦。咁啊，御滿杜拜點解澳遊氣泡位置有13蚊？因為御滿杜拜位置1.0咯。
原本杜拜唔值咧，呢度我都話級數根本都唔係澳遊氣泡級數，都話將王都可以跑贏佢嘅，咁你點會同澳遊氣泡有得比？而家只跑長多400啫。
恭喜晒啦，馬主團體澳遊氣泡啊！咁啊，相隔31年啦，歷史一路都講話，即係30年一遇啊！我哋再次出現3冠，係咪馬王啊後話啦？不過呢個紀錄都唔容易破啊！
咁你又有膽量去挑戰先啦，首先係咪？你都要肯去跑咯。
有膽量，亦都要有能力。
最初澳遊氣泡嗰啲頭馬呢，就好多唔同騎師嘅，咁但係到最尾原來係麥道朗最夾。麥道朗依家都手執我哋香港2大王牌，浪漫勇士同澳遊氣泡，
都好難唔係佢最夾嘅全球最佳騎師。咁最好就揾佢，
佢能夠成為全球最佳騎師，我哋呢2匹馬係幫佢非常之大嘅助力喎。因為佢上年其實唔係浪漫勇士同佢嘅話呢，莫亞都好高機會嘅。
各位來賓，渣打冠軍暨遮打杯頒獎儀式現在開始。
Ladies and gentlemen, the trophy presentation of the Standard Chartered Champions and Chater Cup will now commence.
Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause to congratulate Voyage Bubble, winner of the Standard Chartered Champions and Chater Cup, the final leg of the Triple Crown Series and this season's 12th and final Group 1 race. 渣打冠軍暨遮打杯係今季第12場，同時間亦都係最後一場嘅國際1級賽事，亦係3冠大賽嘅尾關。今屆嘅盟主係由澳遊氣泡勝出㗎，恭喜晒！我哋俾啲掌聲好冇？After winning the Standard Chartered Champions and Chater Cup today, Voyage Bubble becomes the second horse after River Verdant to sweep all 3 Group 1 21 races of the Triple Crown Series, earning an additional bonus of 10 million Hong Kong dollars。恭喜晒澳遊氣泡，繼一代名區翠河後，成為第二匹喺同一季內囊括3冠大賽全部賽事嘅賽區，獲得港幣1000萬元嘅特別獎金，恭喜晒！好，我哋即刻開始我哋嘅頒獎儀式。Let's start our presentation. May we now invite our club steward Dr. Silas Yang to present the Standard Chartered Champion and Chater Cup and a miniature to winning owner Sunshine and Moonlight Syndicate of winning horse Voyage Bubble. Received by Mr. Cheng. 好，我哋嘅本會董事楊兆信博士而家咧就將渣打冠軍嘅遮打杯以及小型獎杯頒發俾我哋勝出頭馬澳遊氣泡嘅馬主日月輝煌賽馬團體嘅，我哋有請兩位情生咧就接受嘅。And now I'd like to invite Dr. Yang to present a Triple Crown Series bonus of 10 million Hong Kong dollar check to the winning connections of Voyage Bubble, the Sunshine and Moonlight Syndicate。楊兆信博士而家將一張咧就係港幣1000萬元嘅特別獎金嘅支票頒發俾澳遊氣泡嘅馬主㗎，咁我哋有請張生代表接受㗎。May Dr. Yang continue to present a miniature to each of the winning trainer, Mr. Ricky Yiu。繼續我哋有請楊博士就係將小型獎杯頒發俾我哋勝出頭馬嘅練馬師姚本輝。And lastly, Dr. Yan, please present a miniature to our winning jockey, James McDonald。楊博士現正將小型獎杯頒發俾我哋勝出頭馬嘅騎師麥道朗。Thank you so much, Dr. Yang. Our sponsor, Standard Chartered Bank, has prepared a set of souvenirs for our winning connections. May we now invite Mr. Benjamin Hong, President International of Standard Chartered Bank, to present a souvenir to winning owner Sunshine and Moonlight Syndicate. And we have Syndicate representative to receive this. 而家我哋有請渣打銀行國際業務總裁洪丕正先生咧，就致送紀念品俾我哋勝出頭馬嘅馬主日月輝煌賽馬團體嘅，咁我哋有請團體代表接受嘅。Thank you, Mr. Hong. Ms. Mary Hoon, CEO, Hong Kong and Greater China and North Asia of Standard Chartered Bank, is now going to present a souvenir to winning trainer Ricky Yiu。而家我哋渣打銀行香港兼大中華及北亞區行政總裁禤惠儀女士現正將紀念品致送俾我哋勝出頭馬嘅練馬師姚本輝先生，恭喜晒！ And now I'd like to invite once again Mr. Hong to present a souvenir to winning jockey James McDonald。最後再次有請洪生咧就致送紀念品俾我哋勝出頭馬嘅騎師麥道朗嘅。Thank you, congratulations, James. And James, I'd like to invite you to present a beautiful bouquet of flowers to Ms. Mary Hoon。咁我哋騎師咧亦都為禤女士咧致送花束㗎。Thank you so much. Congratulations once again. Let's all remain for a group photo together. 有請大家留一留步㗎，我哋影一張大合照去紀念一個歷史性嘅一刻啊！我哋望一望我哋全部嘅馬迷同埋我哋嘅傳媒朋友。Let's look to the front at all our media friends here, and also all our racing fans here at Sha Tin Racecourse today. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain where you are. Please remain standing. And please remove your hats for the national anthem of the winning country, China。跟住落嚟，我哋有請我哋香港警察樂隊演奏勝出頭馬所代表國家中國嘅國歌，有請各位起立並隨舞奏國歌。Congratulations once again to Voyage Bubble！ 再次恭喜晒澳遊氣泡㗎。Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of the trophy presentation. Congratulations once again to the winning owner, trainer and jockey。我哋渣打冠軍暨遮打杯頒獎儀式已經圓滿結束，我哋下次再見，恭喜晒，拜拜。